Let's walk up to the front here. I've got the second door open, and let's see where we can fish this through. All right, y'all, so I've run a lot of cabling and backup cameras through different models of BMWs, and they each present their own challenges. Some are very easy, some are a little bit more difficult, some you have to use a different approach. This has ended up very much being a different approach, and so I try as much as I can to show what I do rather than just tell you, but on this one, it was difficult to show you, so I'm going to tell you what I did. So remember, we had it hanging out of this hole right here. Sorry about that, guys. Hanging out of this hole right here as we fished it out, and you can tell it's not there anymore. So what I did was I pulled out this lower bucket, this little storage bucket right here. In typical fashion with BMW, you can stick your hand in and kind of rock it back and forth, and the clips come loose, and you can pull the bucket out. And now you can see down into underneath the carpet. So what I did from there was I reached behind, I fished the line by hand down behind the carpet so I could reach it down here in the bucket. I then took this carpet here. You can tell this is the carpet liner for this storage area. There is a large T20 plastic screw right here, so I took that screw out to give myself a little bit more room. I then fished the cable underneath the carpet here, out through the gap right here. Then you run all the way up. Let me get a little bit better lighting. You pull the carpet out and you run it under this edge of the carpet right here, all the way up until you get to that upper section right there. And it's going to be a matter of making it all around all of the bends, right?